Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Buman app. First, go to your account or wallet. Look for an icon labeled My Coins, Assets or a similar term in the app. Next, select the withdrawal balance. The app will show you the total coins and the amount available for withdrawal. Then, choose a withdrawal method. Based on recent reports, the Buman app offers options such as Gcash, PayPal, and Lazada. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. Make sure the amount is within the app's minimum and maximum limits. Finally, confirm your withdrawal. Follow any final on-screen prompts to complete the request. Some withdrawal rules can vary, but generally include a processing time of a few minutes to up to 24 hours. The system may detect your entire withdrawable balance upon request and transfer it to your designated account. And there are limits on the number of withdrawals you can make per day. Some important considerations. Be aware of potential scams. Some users have reported issues with similar apps, so approach with caution. Check for verification requirements. Some apps may require you to verify your identity before you can withdraw funds, and ensure that you meet any referral requirements. Some users have reported delays or challenges with withdrawals if their referrals are not active enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.